Hello, for today's video is how to fix internal storage Android is running low. So the reason this error happens is simply because too much space is being taken up on your device. So you have to find some way to free that space up, and I'm going to show you guys two different methods you can try. So first thing to do is go to settings, then scroll down. We're going to go into apps. And we'll go to manage apps and then tap sort by, and then right here we're going to use storage. So we're going to sort our apps by size. So this lets you see that what apps are taking up the most space on your phone. So you can kind of just scroll through here and see maybe an app that's taking up a lot of space that you don't need. For example, this one. So you can uninstall the app and hit OK. So ultimately, you are going to have the probably delete something in order to free space. The other thing you can do is you can go on and app like maybe TikTok. So we'll click on this, and like I said, it works for almost any app, but you can press storage and you can clear data, and you can also clear the cache. It will also help free up some space, and you can go through and keep doing that on all your apps just to free up more space. Now, the second thing that we can do is go back to our settings. Then we'll go to about phone and we'll hit storage. And now we can get a sort of larger view of what's taking up space on our phone. For me, for example, it seems that my video taken up 72 gig. That's quite a lot. It's probably all of the tutorials I've been filming. So we click on videos and then scroll down, and you can just kind of select some of your files that you don't need basically. And its menu makes it really easy to just select a bunch of them and just hit delete. Now, obviously, you don't want to do this indiscriminately. Make sure you don't need this, but if you don't need them, you can just go through and just delete it. That will help you guys clear up even more space. So that's it. I hope that you learned something, and if you have any questions or comments, just put it in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like.